Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime we upload a new video. To my old subscribers, thank you for always showing love and coming back to watch my videos. So today we'll be making this beautiful headband. I'll be starting by folding our fabric into 2 by 4 inches on fold, okay, and the length we'll be using is 22 inches for the length. All right, we'll be using length 22 inches, while on fold we'll be using 4 inches plus sewing allowance. All right, so we'll cut this out into 2. This particular measurement we are going to cut it out into 2. Okay, you cut this out, you fold another one and cut the same measurement again, making 2 of it. Okay, after that you head to the small band, which we are using 2 inches. We are using 2 inches on fold. Then for the length we are using 10 inches. Okay, 2 inches on fold. When you open it, it will be 4, then the length will be 10. Okay, just mark it out and cut it out. Now we are done with it and we've stitched all the sides. We are done stitching all the side of the both materials we've cut out. We are done stitching and we turn it out this way, just this way I'm doing. Okay, just turn it out this way. All the 3 fabric, all the 3 pieces that we cut out, turn it out this way. So I'm done turning out the 3 fabrics. I'm done turning it out. Now it's for me to fix in the elastic for the shorter fabric, which is a 2 by 10 that I cut out. Okay, fix your elastic inside that small fabric and you're measuring 7 inches for the elastic. Then you fix it with your pin. You can use your hand, just the way I'm doing, to fix the elastic in. Then you make a stitch to hold the elastic. Okay, you make a stitch to hold the elastic. Yeah, you make a stitch at the both sides to hold the elastic firm. Okay, just see the measurement I'm taking. I'm taking 7 inches for the elastic. Then I'll go ahead to stitch on it to hold it firm with the fabric. Okay, all right, so I'm done holding the elastic to the fabric. I'm just doing some trimming just to trim out the thread, the excess thread and the excess elastics here. Okay, so now it's for me to go ahead to do the main deal of this headband. Okay, just watch what I'll be doing, how I'll be doing it. Okay, now you get the both fabric you've cut out, get the both of them, get it this way. And we don't have light, I would have just given it a good ironing. Okay, then twist it to this way. Okay, place it on each other, take the other one to the other side, take the other one to the other side, just the way I'm doing it, like this. Then you get the short fabric, the short elastic band that we've covered with our fabric. Just do it this way. Okay, use that big fabric to cover that short elastic. You see what I'm doing here? It's just very easy. The video is well detailed. Okay, just do it this way I'm doing it. Use your pin to secure it. Then you go ahead to the other edge and do the same thing. Okay, go ahead to the other side, still pick the elastic, do the same thing that we did here, do it to the other side and go to your machine to secure it with a stitch. Okay, see the same thing I'm doing here. use it to cover up the elastic just the way I'm doing it, just this way. Go to your sewing machine and secure it with a stitch. Okay, secure it with a stitch, turn it to this way. Okay, so you need to be careful here, because you might make a mistake. Just what I wanted to happen here, I wanted to make a mistake on fixing the elastic side. Okay, you flip to the other side to fix the second elastic. So when you sew the both together, it will give you a good outcome. So I will head to my machine now to give it a good stitch, and I'll bring it back for you all to see the outcome of what we've done so far. All right, so my beautiful people, this is it. I'm done making a stitch on it, done making a stitch on the both side, and this is outcome. Okay, just trim out the excesses, and this will be the outcome when you are done with yours. Very, very simple and easy tutorial. You can use this on your wig or your natural hair, or just lay it on any way you want it. All right, you can make it different colors, you can make to sell, you can just play around with it. All right, please, my beautiful people, if you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload any video, you will get notified. And always share to your loved ones and like this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.